Good morning, everybody. Thank you for joining me on the Catch the Turn trading webinar. My name is Joel Dollar. I am the Chief Trader for Catch the Turn. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Markets are open. We are back for a good trading week. See some new names on here today. Thank you for joining us, and those who are currently clients, thank you for coming back. What you're seeing here is the CTT trading platform. This is a platform that's been designed to trade position, swing, and scalp trading. This is not something we slap together very quickly. Each algorithm, each time frame has been optimized to give you guys the best possible entries. This is a two-part system, meaning that we have 3 trading algorithms, and then the rest are for verification here, giving you guys the best possible entries we can actually give you. We want you guys to be successful traders here. One thing at Catch the Turn is our customer service is a very key priority for us. We take a lot of pride in it. We offer many avenues to help you guys become good traders. We offer the CTT trading manual. We have an online trading community. Once you become a client, you're given access to this community. We have scalping groups, swing trading groups, position trading groups, and it's a great place to get more eyes on the market to help each other out, because success in Forex comes from more eyes on the market. It's very difficult when you're just one person by yourself trying to trade. So it helps to get in the community and to talk to people about what's going on in the trading community. Coming up for the CTT news, we have a boot camp coming up October 5th in our trading office in Irvine, California. I will be there. Vlad will be there. The trading team will be there. You guys can, the seats are very limited, so you can sign up, fly out, and meet us, trade with us. We're going to trade the markets that morning. Bring your laptops. We're going to have food catered, lunch catered. It's a good chance to see us, to see our office, to see that we are a real company. We're real people. This is a very real platform that we use for our corporate accounts. We are very much real traders. We are live traders. We trade real money. We aren't just somebody who puts them together and is trying to hype it up. We want you guys to focus on making pips, making good trades, learning to trade well, and becoming better traders all around. So, like I said again, welcome to the webinar. Thank you for coming here. This morning I'm going to go over really quick logging on to the cloud. If you are brand new, our platform is run on a cloud-based server, meaning that once you become a client, you're given access to our cloud. That way, it allows you to trade anywhere in the world. If you're at an airport, if you're in a hotel, anywhere with Wi-Fi access on your laptop, you can trade. We do have apps coming out to where this app will be available on your phone and your iPad and so forth, and PC tablets. That way you guys can trade just about almost anywhere now. Cabs, restaurants, wherever you get a chance to look at the market and you have internet access, you guys can do that. So that's something that's coming in the future. This platform is also offered on MetaTrader 4. For those of you who might be with your current broker right now and you don't really want to switch over to FXCM, no problem. We offer that on FXCM 4, and we are currently getting it coded in NinjaTrader. That way we can offer stocks, futures, and NinjaTrader is a larger platform that it will connect to FXCM. It will connect to multiple brokers. You can place a trade on Ninja, and it will take that trade for yourself on your broker. That's one thing that we're looking at to cover the market. So as I was saying, this is a professional trading platform. We want you guys to become successful. We want to teach you how to trade. But as I said, as our system is ran on a cloud, what that does is, one, it makes it to where you're not stuck on your desktop. Back in the day when I was looking for trading systems, a lot of them offered a pretty good system, but you'd pay for a license key. And that license key was renewed every year at half price. And if your desktop crashed, you had your choice of my desktop or my laptop to put it on. And the big problem was, if it crashed or if that laptop had an issue, I had to repay for a new key and half price. And these systems were pretty much expensive back in the day. So one thing we do is you're not stuck that way. It's not on your desktop, it's on your laptop. It's it's hosted on a cloud environment that's far away. What that does is it does not take up memory on your desktop. It doesn't take up room. Anytime that we upgrade this system here, as I've said before, this is an adaptive platform, meaning that most platform fails because the market might be trending for 4 years. You build a platform that just kills it, and then 2 years you're sideways, and your program is just getting whooped. It's not getting you in and out of good trades. Our system is adaptive, meaning that if an algorithm starts to fail or it needs to be recoded or just we need to add more to it, take away from it, we will do that. and you guys will get all of that free of charge. There's no more charging for any indicators, any algorithms. It's all free based, whatever we have for you guys. Today I want to go over the cloud. There's a few things when you log on. For those of you who are clients, this will kind of help you guys out a little bit and see what we're looking at here. For those of you who are brand new and would like to become clients, this is how you log on to the system. What you see here behind me is the remote desktop server here, which is our cloud. And when you will get a password, IP address, you will get a set of instructions on how to log on. It's very easy. You will get a basic walkthrough on FXCM Trading Station on how to kind of open up market scope. It's very simple to do. Plus, you'll get our training guide. So what I have here is just your basic orange background, which is our cloud here. And we would double-click and log on FXCM Trading Station, which is our platform that this program is built on. This is the first platform it came on. I'm going to add in the demo account, which you guys will all be given a European demo account. And this will allow you guys to trade S&P, gold, and so forth. In the U.S., we can't trade that live. There we go. In the U.S., on a live account, once you go U.S. live, you're going to be just basically currencies. But it gives you a chance to see the other markets and kind of get a feel of how they move with the system here. So once you log on, this is what you're going to see. This is your standard layout. You guys, what we do is we build your systems basically by hand. So every system has actually been customized and it's different. So when you do log on, this is what you're going to see here. Now, your demo accounts will all be built for you. When you go live, you're going to see this again because this will be a live account. So what we do is we like to set it up here. And I'm going to show you guys, you're going to see a difference here from what your demo account will see and for what your live account you're going to see. It's very easy here. You're going to go to Charts. You're going to open up Market Scope. And this loads your basic chart layout, which you see right here, which is very, very, very simple here. So we're going to go to File, Layouts, and click Open Layout. Now there's 3 layouts that have been loaded for you. There's Position, Scalp, Swing Trading. Pick the layout you want to use, but now if you are trading and then you go, say you're in demo account now and you're set up, you go open a live account and you come back on here. You're going to have to change one thing in your position trading chart, which is very easy to do. Reason being is there's an indicator that's loaded on here that has to have a price feed to read, and if you haven't done that yet, you have to get it loaded. What you're going to see here, which is our CTT day percent, which is right up here. This is a daily profit loss based off percent, and it's going to give you an error message, and the reason that is because this has never had a chance to gather any type of price data feed. So all you do is just click OK. We're going to right-click on it, remove the indicator, right-click again, add indicator, and you guys are going to be able to go back to this on YouTube webinar and watch this. Scroll all the way down till you see our algorithm suite, which is right here. Into the second one. Click on it, click OK, and then go ahead and change it to white to see a little better, and click OK. Now, as you notice, from my screen, which I have, it's black and it has orange. All it is basically just it's a color option. So if you want to make it look like our screen, it's very easy to do. Now you will have to change our candles because instead of using your traditional red and green candles, we use a blue and a green. It's very easy to do. We'll right click, go down to Options, click on Chart View Options, and you have your color format. First color we change is background color. We'll change that to black. Very easy. Skip 1, text color. We'll change our text color to white so we can see it a lot better. Skip 1, scale. Change our scale color to orange. Now our basic layout is set up. We're going to scroll on down until we see our candles, which you can see here. Ascending candlestick, descending candlestick. Ascending, which is green. We're going to change to blue. Just third blue over on the top row. Then we're going to change to ascending candlestick bar. Change that to red. To green. There we go. So it's your, basically you go from white down to your gray and go up and it's your middle green. So 1, 2, 3. Click OK. Last thing is we want to see basically a price bar. Show current market price line is already put to no. Click yes, and then we'll change that color to our blue, same as the candle color. Click apply, and then we have it loaded up here. That's what when you go live and you see that, you're going to see the color, at the kind of the gray background, red or green candles. You'll get the error sign because we have not yet taken any data in, so it has to be reloaded. And one last thing you're going to do is change up here to Euro USD So all three charts will be linked. Make sure you click on File, Layouts, Save Layout, which is I'm going to tell you CTT Position Trading Platform. Click OK, and you guys are ready to go. You can switch between position, swing, scout, really whatever fits you. So it's very easy to do. You will get a walkthrough guide on how to log on to the cloud. Make sure you use capital A. Make sure you type in your name exactly as it says. Get any issues, let me know, and I know Stefan at Catch the Turn, and will get to me if they can't figure it out, and we'll get you walked through it. I'll walk you through it on Skype. It's very easy to do, very easy to understand. So far that we haven't really had any issues with the cloud service. One issue that we'll notice is when you do, you don't have to close this out. All right, all you have to do is just click close and close out your cloud. When you log back on, you'll come back onto the screen right here. Now, for those of you who do lower your windows out, I have this taskbar down here hidden. So what I'm going to do, it's very easy to do, is click on Properties, and instead of auto-hiding your taskbar, you can just basically click it to where it'll pop up. Now, the problem in the past we have is if you open up more trade stations, you have 3 or 4 open here, you're going to get an error, and it's going to say Price Data Error. It's not going to be able to get a feed from Price, from FXCM, because you have multiple platforms open. And so if you're having a problem getting on and you've closed it out, your platform is just right down here, all right? It's really easy. If you want to lock your taskbar or open it back up, it's very simple to do. Just hover your mouse down low. It'll pop up. You can minimize. Let me get this here. You can minimize your screen, and you can drag it to any screen you need to drag it to. It's just the only thing is for now is we are stuck to one monitor because this is a remote server. So you are stuck on one monitor for now. We are looking in the future to making this basically an app where you just go to a link and you download it and you can have it on anything you want. That's a future deal we're looking at here. So the cloud is very easy to do. It's very simple. For those of you who are brand new, the only thing you do pay is a cloud fee service, which is $39.95. Very easy to get signed up for, and that's all you pay. And this cloud will be up and running. It's not going anywhere. It is actually our own internal cloud service that we have here that we've teamed up with another partner. So it actually we have it managed, we have it run for us. If you have any problems, we have logons, we can get you on and get you guys set up here. So it makes it a lot better, in my opinion, than being stuck to a desktop, because what happens if your desktop just crashes, and you're forced to pay another license key. With us, it's a one-time payment and that's it, nothing more, never again. We don't if a server goes down, we build your server back up in another area. So it's very easy to do, and we haven't had any problems with the new server so far. Everything's been going pretty smooth, and the core servers do have problems from time to time. But if it happens, just let us know, and we're on it within an hour to get it fixed for you guys. I just wanted to go over some of the simple things you might see when you're on the cloud here as far as logins concerned. Once you do go live, you won't have the black and the orange because, we don't have access to your live account. We just have access to the demo. So you can change those color options. You can go back on, if this will be on YouTube, you can go back and look at that and see how that has changed. Just make sure you change your daily profit loss %, because when it's installed into a new platform and opens up for the first time, it has not yet to receive any data feed coming through. So it's the only thing you're going to change out. Let me go ahead and close out the cloud. So when you're done, all you have to do is just click X. This will end your remote desktop service session. Click OK, and you are basically done. And when you log back on, it'll pop up on the same exact screen that you were on. So that way you guys won't have to, yes, remember your password. Yes, remember your demo account password that we set you up with. But you won't have to type it in, all the time. Just make sure if you do minimize these windows that you realize that they are down at the bottom. That taskbar is actually hidden. So you can lock it in place. It's very easy to do. And that way, if you guys get a error on the data feed, it's because too many platforms open. You can't do that. It won't work. Let's see here. What you're looking at right now is the swing trading chart. We can tell the market. This is Euro USD here. We can tell the market's been flat. Last week, non-farm payroll came out, and we had a nice push up. But we have deviated. If you're new, the concept to our trading is very, very simple. It's very easy to see. All we do is we trade a deviation from price and value. And this system here, it forces you to be patient. You have multiple levels you can play this game. If you want to play aggressive, you can play aggressive. The whole concept is to catch the turn, meaning we want to catch the turn